Hi lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this 1440 jugi fillet. Keep watching.
So welcome to Church Couture Tutorials. So today I'll be showing us how to make a 1440 degree fillet two-step. This video I'm going to do a two-step fillet, but it's going to be 1140 degree fillet. So now this is what I need. I'll be using this Ankara material. This is the lining I will use, and I'll add horsehair to it. This is a horsehair or called Crinoline. Then this is a soft medium gum stay, not the softest one, medium gum stay I'll be using for this fillet peplum. So now I'll be attaching it on the waist. I'll be using this measurement. The round waist I'll be using is 28 inches. So because it is a 1440 degree fillet, that means it is 360 degree into four places. I'll cut 360 degrees into 4 places, that is 4 times. So now what I'm going to do to get is I will divide this my waist measurement by 4, because I'll be cutting circle into 4. I will divide this my waist measurement by 4, and whatever I have, if I divide this my waist measurement by 4, I will get 28 divided by 4 is 7. So what is we have here is 7 inches. And for a 360 degree fillet, you cut it with 6.28. This is standard measurement for a 360 degree fillet. 6.28 is the standard measurement to divide any circumference of anything you're using for a degree fillet. So now, since what we got is 7, I'm going to divide 7 with 6.28. So 7 divided by 6.28. What I have here is 1 inch. So since this fillet is going to be like this, what I'm going to cut inside here is 1 inch. Then this will be the length of the fillet. This is if you have spread it. So for example, we have not spread it. This is how it's going to be on a folded side. So this upside is going to be 1 inch, and then this is going to be desired length of what you want. If you want your fillet to be 6 inches, 7 inches, depending on where you are putting it and how you want it to look like. So now this one I'm cutting now, I'll be using 7 inches divided by 6.28. That means what I have here, which is the radius, is 1 inch. Then the length of my fillet, because it's going to be two-step, so the first length is going to be 10 inches, and then the second, because it's a two-step, the second will be 8 inches. So the first will be longer than the second with 2 inches. That is, the down one will be longer than the up one with 2 inches. So this is just the measurement that I need. Remember, our radius is 1 inch. So I'll go ahead to fold the material right now. So in order not to waste material, if you want to get what you are going to cut, so you cannot come and waste material, the only thing you are going to do now is that this radius, which is 1 inch, since I'm cutting out this first one, I'm trying to cut out this first one, so this radius plus this is 10. This radius plus this is 11 inches. That is 10 plus 1 is 11 inches. Then I'm going to add extra 1 inch for sewing allowance, both for attaching it to the clothes and for sewing the peplum itself, which is going to be 10 plus 1, 11, plus another 1 inch for sewing allowance is going to be 12. So how I'm going to do it now is, since it's going to be 12, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to place tape and find 12. This is 12 inches, as you can see. we are doing this in order not to waste material. 12 inches. Now you know we are going to fold this 360 like this. So the next we are going to do is to, this is 12, and from this 12 now we are going to fold. This is the center. So the next thing we are going to do now is, since this is the 12, from there we are going to find the other 12. This is 12 inches here. So now I'm going to cut this out. So I've gone ahead to cut it, as you can see now. So what I have here in total is 24. That is 12 plus 12 is 24. And then if you fold it like this now, you'll find out that here is 12. And here is 12 also. So in order not to waste material, now that this is how to get your measurement. So remember that our radius is 1 inch. So from this pointed edge, as you can see, this pointed edge, we are going to start putting our measurement. What we are going to do is that we are going to measure what we needed, which is 12 inches. So this is it at the extreme here. I'm going to measure 12 inches round. I'll take it round like this, just like I'm doing. So as you can see, this is it. So now we are going to put our radius here. Our radius, which is 1 inch, we are going to mark it. See it here. So this is our radius. Now what I'm going to do next is to cut it, and then this our line, I'm going to cut it also. So this is it. This is what it is. This is 1 inch, and then this is the length of what I want. See, this is the length of what I want. So now the next thing I'm going to do is, if you open it right now, you will find out that this is a 360 degree. It's a full circle. It's a full circle, as you can see. So the next thing we are going to do is to cut this into 4 places for it to be a 1440 degree, because 361 and other ones it will be a 440 degree flare. So I'll go ahead to cut it extra 4. I'll do that and show you. So I've gone ahead to cut it into 4 places. As you can see, this is a full circle. It's a full circle, the same thing with all of them. So this one now is 360, 360, 360 and 360. If you add all of them together, you will get 140 degree flare, exactly your waist line. So that is how we are going to do it. Now remember, this is for the first length. So I will go ahead and cut the lining also, and then we'll show you what's next. So I've gone ahead to cut the lining, as you can see. This is the lining for each of them, as you can see. What I'm going to do is to pick them and then slash it open on one side. Slash it open on one side. The same thing, I'm going to open this one, then I'm going to slash it open on one side. So I've gone ahead to slash all of them open. So the next thing I'm going to do is to join them. I'll be joining them, each of them. I will join each of them. I will join each of them. If I spread this one also, I will join the other one. I will join the other one. If I open it, I will join the other one. So this is how it's going to look like. Are we seeing it right now? So I'm going to join them. So now I'm going to slash the lining also. I had to slash the line that's open. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to iron gum stay. I'm going to iron gum stay to the lining. Guys, I'm going to iron gum stay. Then I'll show you the outcome. So I've gone ahead to iron the gum stay, as you can see, to the 4 pieces. So as you can see right now. So the next I'm going to do is I will be joining the lining. I will join all the lining. I will join all the lining just like I did in the front. I'm going to join all of them. Then after joining all of them, I'm going to show you how it is. So as you can see our flay. I've gone ahead to join all of them together as I've joined the 4 pieces, and you can see how the flay is forming. As you can see how the flay is forming right now. So the same thing I've done for the main fabric also. See the main fabric. I've gone ahead to join all of them, and as you can see, what we have here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I will sew this. I will join the both of them together. I'm going to sew them together. As you can see, this is my lining. So lining is going to be on top. This is the main fabric. Then you put your lining. Then you're going to sew this crinoline on top of the lining. Just this is how I placed it. This is how it's going to be. And then I'm going to be stitching it around together with this fabric. And then I'll stitch it and show you what next I'm going to do. So I'll be stitching it around together with, as you are doing it, you are shifting your lining to match with this. So just like this.
So I've gone ahead to sew it and turn it out, and I've also gone ahead to press it iron. As you can see, the effect of the crinoline is obviously showing. You saw how it was before I added the crinoline and how it is now. So this is how to make 1440 degree flay. You can add this on your knee. You can make a gown and add it on your knee or any part of your body, but I'll be adding this on the waistline. That is why I use my waist measurement. Remember, I also did a shorter one of it because it's a 2-step flay. It's just exactly the same thing. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you. Bye.